we guide you through how to create a QR code for Google Meet. So the first thing you need to do is to open your browser and go to Google Meet, then sign in with your Google account. Start or schedule a meeting by clicking New Meeting and choose either Start an instant meeting or Create for later. Once your meeting link appears, copy the full Google Meet URL from the address bar or the meeting info panel. Next, open a QR code generator website like qrcodegenerator.com or go to Google and search for QR code generator. Paste your copied Google Meet link into the input box, then click Generate. After that, customize your QR code if needed by changing the style or adding a logo, but keep it simple for faster scanning. Once the QR code is generated, click Download and save it as PNG or JPG. Now, you can share it by printing it, sending it through chat, or posting it online so participants can just scan it with their phone camera to instantly join your Google Meet without typing any link.